In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide messages content preview on the lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then notifications, and then tap at show previews. Then you can set this feature to always when unlocked or to never. If it is set to never, you will still be able to get notifications right here on the notification center, but the content of that notifications, the text content, will be hidden. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.